Hey kiddo, what you doing?
This would be classified as not pretty and glory, but behind the scenes, you know, because once people normally do their video, it's all pretty and yada yada. But we're going to show you what it kind of takes to get to that pretty. Not like in the bathroom with the mirror and a brush and makeup. This is, and she can show you all this crap I got here that I've had to cut out. But we had a leak in the fitting here, so up here is our filtration, and this actually feeds the bog, so it's gravity. And so we're rerouting it. So right now, you know, we got all this water, but this is actually going to come up and tie into this one in here, and that'll get our filtration of the bog and all that going back again. We will change it later. And
He's going to be bringing everything inside the garage.
yeah, I've got 2 holes that I got to bore through this brand new concrete, because even though I made the metal sleeves just to slide in place,
They didn't make it.
They didn't get slid in place. They got thrown in the trash pile or something. I don't know. So now I got to cut a 4-inch hole here and a 4-inch hole over there. And what'll happen once this is all together, we'll just be able to pull a couple of gate valves and change it to where it dumps in the bog or dumps in the pond for the winter. I got this fitting on and it's filling up about halfway with water, so I still got an hour or so that I can tie this one to that one, and then we can turn the bog back on for filtration.
This is the bog filter that filters a portion of our water that goes into the koi pond that Alan's working on the plumbing for. And here are our lovely koi.
But like I say, you look at, you know, all these fittings and stuff, they right now, you know, it's kind of like if you're a contractor, when you go to a job, you look at this big old pile of parts and fittings and you think, where's all these going to go? They've all got a place to go. It's just a lot of work to get to that finished looking thing that a lot of people put on video that, hey, here we are, you know. But so this is the under scene.
And we're going to show them the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah. Over here, so there's another blue hole cut, or blue hole, it's not cut yet, but it's just marked. So that's on our rain gutter system, and we are going to stick, we're hoping for a 1,700 gallon rainwater catching system. That's what this hole here is. We showed you how it comes from over there all the way around. It's going to come through here, and we're going to have a tank sitting underneath here that we can pump back up and water all of our plants, you know, as long as we can with the rainwater. And that'll save us some money, but just to think of, well, I'm catching rainwater and I can water my plants. I get to eat peaches, I get to eat cherries, I get to eat plums, all that from kind of rainwater.
And if the city rations water, we can still have water to water our fruit trees.
Yeah, because fruit's kind of important. It's kind of sweet, so that's what we all like, is sweet. You know, the old tomatoes, I mean, it's okay for tomato sauce, but yeah, it ain't sweet like a peach. But so this is the pipe I'm using. Like I say, it actually says it's a sewer pipe, but we're using it for water. And so I'm coming from this side, so that'll pick up this side over here going up to the roof, and then it's traveling all along this way over, and I'll show you that in a minute. And these have got like pre-made couplings in them. You can see the big sleeve there, and you always want your your direction of flow, your coupling go over that end of the pipe, like down here where I haven't stuck it in there yet. So you got the coupling, the big flared out piece, and this piece will go inside that one, so that your flow goes that way and it's a lot smoother. But so right here on this corner, I'll cut this to size, but I want to glue that one first and see exactly where this will come. And then it's coming around the corner with that 90, and then this is the side, or the T that's going to pick up this side, and then it goes down in there, and my holding tank's actually going to be inside underground. And then we'll have a little pump that pumps it back out to water things and fill the pond if we need it. And also you see so my water's going, gotta think, so from right to left as you're looking at that T, and see the little sweep on that top part. So as the water comes down that, it automatically gives it a little sweep to make the direction of the flow go that way. Side, and if this one was reversed like this, then the water's going to come here and hit this other water, and you might not get the downflow you want, and it'll start overflowing. But on this too, I'm going to have, you know, different kind of filters for sand and stuff, and I'll show you that later on. I just thought I'd do a quickie to show you the start of this. Okay, so I got to get to work. Time's getting short. Colleen's got to go in and play, figure out all these videos. She's the videography. Well, I don't know, what do they call those?
Editor.
People?
I do editing.
Oh, the video editor. But you know, that sounds easy, but you know, I can do all this crap out here, but I couldn't do a 5-minute video and put it online. That'd be like a freaking nightmare. So we each got our own talents, and gotta go and got to get to work. So time.
Well, time's getting short, and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.